Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about the best settings for exporting and render in Davinci Resolve and Davinci Studio. Let's get into it. So first thing, we go to File, Project Settings. In here you can create your custom settings like for different resolutions like 1080 or 2K or 4K in which your video was captured. Then the resolution should match your video captured. If you captured the video in 1080, you choose 1080. If in 2K, you choose 2K. If you captured it in 4K, you choose 4K. For creating YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks, use vertical resolution. Type here, and then the project will become vertical. So it will be a lot easier to create the vertical video. Then frame rate. I usually choose 60 FPS or 60 frame rate because I think it's better, it's more dynamic, and why not if you can choose it. Many people choose 24 frame rate, 30 frame rate, but I don't see the point. I suggest you to choose 60 FPS. Then here you don't need to choose anything. Data levels, choose full, so you get all the quality from video you captured, and everything else just choose what I chose. And here too. Next step, for faster proxy and caching your videos, you need to choose different locations or different disks for your proxy, for your cache, and for your video files. This way, Davinci will do it a lot faster and give you the video a lot faster, and it won't stutter every fucking time you are scrolling your project. Next, here we are done. We are going to export settings. I usually use custom export settings. Again, you can make your own custom presets for 2K, 1080, 4K, or even TikTok. You can save them here, so you don't need to input all the settings every time. Here we are typing our file name. Here we can choose the location. Next we will go into audio. Codec, you should choose linear PCM because it's the best quality. Then let me choose 4K preset. Then the best thing you can choose, here you don't need to change anything. The best thing you can choose is normalize audio. You need to enable this and choose YouTube or any other platform that you are doing videos for. But I think you'll mainly do it for YouTube. This way, your video will always sound the same and you won't need to think about your video being lower on volume, higher on volume. It will always be the same on the standards of YouTube. Let's continue with video settings. Format. I choose QuickTime. I changed from MP4 to QuickTime and I've seen a big increase in quality after this. Codec, I choose H265 because it works a lot better with bitrates and it preserves the quality at a lower quantity of gigabytes used per file. The best thing that you can get with Studio version, which is the best version and paid version of the app, it's encoder. You can choose NVIDIA or AMD encoder or maybe even AVI one if you have this enabled or supported by your hardware, and this increases the rendering time by 10 times. Your videos will be rendered faster and it's very useful and time saving. So that's why I encourage you to get the paid version or find a way to get the paid version of DaVinci Studio, because come on, it's a time saver, like a lot, and the quality is a lot better because of a few different settings like this. With normalizing audio, I don't think this can be found in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. Next, I usually upscale my videos to 4K. Why do I do this? On YouTube, there are two encoders that works with your videos, and one encoder is for 1080, which eats a lot of quality from your video because of the quantity of videos in 1080. And this next one is for 2K and higher. That one preserves almost all the quality and bitrate you have in your video, and you get the best quality that you can get. And even if you captured your video in 1080, you can upscale it to 4K in Davinci Resolve. Yes, it will take more space on your PC. Yes, it will take a lot more, or maybe not a lot more time, but it will take more time to render, but the quality will be the best that you can get on YouTube. Next, I use encoding profile main 44410, or you can use main 10 if you want. But I didn't have any issues with this one, and the quality it gives, I am satisfied with. The best type of bitrate, it's custom bitrate, because it gives you the best quality from your background image and your image what you see in front of you. Variable bitrate kind of blurs the background textures on the video, so I don't suggest you use variable. The stranger thing about bitrate here, I didn't find any information about it on internet, not on Google, not on YouTube. No one fucking talks about bitrate. I have no idea why. So I done my experiments on variable and constant bitrate, and I've seen that constant bitrate gives you always the best quality that you can get. And I do dynamic scenes with gaming videos, with car moving through cities, different types of action scenes and more. So this is the best you can get. Next, I use the preset very fast. I have no idea what this does. Seriously, I didn't find anything about this on internet, but my PC supports it. It doesn't give me problems, and I'm satisfied with quality, so why not? Anything else you don't need to choose. Everything is chose by default. Data levels should be full. Again, everything here needs to be same as project. And what you need to choose is this. Just set up everything like I did, so you can get the best quality you can get here. And that's all. If you find this content useful and helpful, please leave a like and subscription, and ask me in comments anything you want to know about DaVinci. Maybe I can help, maybe I know, or maybe about setting up your OBS studio for capturing videos or streaming on Twitch or YouTube. So thank you for watching again. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see ya when I see ya. Bye bye.